Hi everybody, this is Professor Nugent. I wanted to record a little video to help you solve the homework questions in Chapter 8. Because Chapter 8 questions, there are a couple questions that are a little difficult. Now, if you don't like to see this red X next to your question, meaning you got it wrong, and I do allow you unlimited attempts to get the correct answer. However, some of the problems are a little bit more challenging this time. So for some of the questions, there can be some extra help in the homework manager. It's one of the great things about using these homework managers is that they can provide you with some resources to help you solve the problem. So for example, in chapter 6, there's this vertical, in problem 6 for chapter 8 homework, there's this vertical menu here, and the first button on the menu is to help me solve this button. And this kind of walks you through the problem as a separate type of attempt where you can sort of practice before you try the actual problem. Some students find this icon, which looks like a purple key, view an example, a little bit more helpful. So as you go through this problem, it provides you the formula and the example of how to solve the problem. So you go step by step, and it'll lay out explanation, formulas, and an example of how to solve the problem. If you're really lucky, some of the problems have this little film icon. If you click on that, it'll take you to a video presentation where an instructor will walk you through and help you solve a similar problem. So they'll pull up a whiteboard and, they'll pull up a whiteboard and then they'll actually work through the problem by hand because some of you may prefer to see a visual demonstration of solving the problem. Okay, so question 6 has that. Question 7 also has the 3 icons, the film, view an example, and help me solve. And question 8 has the view an example. It doesn't have the film, but most problems have this EText button. So if you click on this EText button, it takes you right to the textbook and right to the position in the textbook where the homework problem is based. So you could see what you may want to read over and review. For example, if you're looking at a dividend that looks for multiple dividends in the future, it shows you an equation of how to calculate that. Okay, so that's a good way of helping get through the homework. So if you're having trouble on some of the harder questions, look to this vertical menu here to help you solve the problem. Okay. So let me close that. Okay, so that's my quick 3-minute video on how you can help yourself do better on the homeworks and understand the questions more, since I'm giving you this opportunity to attempt the problems as often as you like until you get the right answer, which is a great opportunity for you to always get a high score in the homeworks. And I do that because I want you to really understand the material, and I don't want to penalize you for getting a wrong answer in the homeworks, because the homeworks are very important, because I try to look at the homework problems I'm assigning and give very similar problems on the exams. So that way the effort you put in the homework does pay off for the exams, and reviewing the homework before the exam is a good way of studying for the exams. Okay, so that's it for me. Good luck. Take care.